Hey, what's going on? So I wanted to share with you a software tool, a custom software tool that we built for those who work in the construction industry, the engineering industry, who are home inspectors. How the app works is you can take your phone, you can take a picture of a site location, or if you have images, you can add these images to the app, and then you can add descriptions of what you saw out in the field to each specific image. So you have all your images with a description of everything that you saw, and then you can also generate a PDF or generate a report that you can share with the clients and the customers, which with this report, the customer has the option to generate as a PDF. So I'm going to share with you how the app works right here. So this is how this tool looks. So you have your dashboard here. If you want to create a new project, you click on new project, you have all your information here. You have the ability to add your images from the gallery, maybe if you're on your phone, you have your images already on your phone, so you can just add all of them like that. You click save. So now the project is created. When you click on the project, and then also you notice that the images actually show here. So now you have an idea of which project that you worked on, with the image that you took, and then the title of the project. So you click here, you have all your images would be laid out here, all your project information is here, and then another useful thing is if you click this, you can add all the information about what you saw here. Now later on, what I'm going to do is to improve this tool, we're going to add the notes under the image here. So that way, maybe you're on a call with a customer, or maybe the contractor is discussing with the customer about something. Instead of them having to click it here to see what it is that they said, they can just quickly read under the image some of the notes that they mentioned about the project. So this is how this project dashboard looks like. And then another useful thing is also the person has the ability to actually assign each image to a section or a quadrant. And another feature that we're going to be adding to this software tool is actually a way to add a sitemap that you can pinpoint on the map the specific area where this image was taken. So that way, when you assign it to a section or a quadrant, you have a drop down of all the sections that you've created, which also link to the actual sitemap. Just to give an idea, let's say a home inspector is looking at a location of the house, instead of them having to notice, okay, this is by the front window, they have a map of the house, and then they can put a pin, okay, front window is here, this is where this image was taken, just to make it easier to use. But this is how this works here. And this another also useful part about this tool that we built is if you click generate report, a report link is automatically generated. So a lot of times engineers, contractors, when they're creating these reports to share with customers to maybe explain the findings and what they saw, normally they'd have to go in Word, they'd have to add each image individually in Word, they have to go and they have to type the notes about what they saw, then they have to make sure everything is aligned properly, they have to format everything in a proper way, create a nice template. This could take 2-3 hours. They're very busy, they may not have time to get everything to look the way they want it. But how this works is very simple. As soon as you click generate report, our report link is automatically generated. So if you click OK, we're going to open a new window here, and we're going to type in this link. So you see that with this tool that we built, a report link is automatically generated. So this is the report that then you can send to your client, send to your customer. They have access to this, so they can see title of the project, who was the person that actually completed the project, all the images that you share with them, as well as the notes that you've seen about these images and the section that it relates to. So this is very useful that these contractors, these home inspectors, engineers can actually share with the customer to showcase what they saw. And then another useful tip here, or another useful feature is that you can actually download it as a PDF. So if you click this link here, and it actually saves just as a PDF. So let's say, okay, we have this link here. Now we're going to open it. So open a new tab, and you see, of course, there's some formatting issues that we have to fix, but it's generated as a PDF that now they have for their access there. So you see it got cut off here. So there's still some formatting issues that we have to fix, but there's no worries there. But so this is this tool that we built for those in the construction industry, engineering industry, and home inspectors. If you're looking for a custom tool, something like this, or you're looking for a custom tool that you think can help you with your business to make things more smoother or more easier or more quicker or improve a process in some way, please feel free to reach out and send me an email with any questions that you may have, an idea that you may have, or you just want to bounce an idea off, whatever the case may be. I'll be more than glad to see how I can help you out. But once again, I hope this video was able to help you see a little bit about this tool that we built. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.